everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. For today's video I have got another Sparkle Supplies haul for you. I've got something pretty damn awesome to show you today and I am literally so excited about it. I've been wanting one for the longest time and I finally took the plunge and got one, but yeah, I'm here to show you everything I got today anyway, because I got that as well as a few other bits. So I'm going to jump straight into the video. You've probably seen from the title what I'm on about anyway. But yeah, I'm going to jump straight in. I'm going to start by showing you the little bits and I'm going to leave the best till last. But I hope you'll enjoy. Let's not sit here waffling, let's crack on and jump into the video. So I thought I'd just quickly show you this. This is a Sparkle Supplies card. You always receive one of these with your order. But this is Sparkle Supplies Instagram. This is the website, this is Lorraine's contact details as well as her phone number. So if you haven't heard of Sparkle Supplies already, then you've been missing out big time. It's seriously one of the best, and I mean the best, nail art supplies in the UK. She sells a bit of all sorts and it's all beautiful. Mass majority of her glitter mixes are unique to Sparkle Supplies. You will not be able to get them anywhere else. And when I say they're beautiful, I really mean they are beautiful. They are my favourite glitters. She sells really incredible glitters. I can't fault them in any way and I love them so much. I have done a lot of videos on Sparkle Supplies now. Go check them out if you haven't already watched them. Seriously, she sells amazing stuff at amazing prices, and yeah, you guys have been missing out if you haven't already checked them out. So there's all the details there. Seriously, you feel spoiled for choice. There's so much to pick from and it's all just absolutely incredible. So I'm going to start off with these bits. So here I've got some pink netting. I've actually been playing with netting a little bit more lately. Wow, I didn't realise you get so much. Look at all that netting, that would last me forever. Wow. Come on camera, there we go. So this one is like pink and silver sort of webbing netting. I don't really know what to call it. Would you call it webbing netting? It's really beautiful though. I've been seeing netting just like this but with like gold and silver leaf in it, which I really want to get my hands on, but this looks absolutely incredible. I've been really enjoying playing with netting lately. I haven't done any for YouTube yet. Well, I've done a couple of little shorts videos. I've started uploading shorts so that are less than a minute long and I've shown a couple of designs there I think with netting now, but I've just sort of been playing with it off camera, sort of getting used to encapsulating it, and it just looks absolutely incredible. It's really fun to work with. I don't see many people working with it very often, but it's really cool. You can encapsulate it in many different ways. Maybe I'll do a video on that at some point, but I couldn't help myself but get some more netting. I don't have any like this one, so I just had to get it. I've also got it in silver as well. You literally get so much as well, it's crazy. But this is the silver one. So you've got this like transparent netting, which I think is like the main thing of the whole lot. And then it's just sort of got these silver sort of tinsel strands entwined in it. This is good for all year, but it's going to be really cool for Halloween actually. Do some like spider nails with this. But yeah, I've been really enjoying netting lately. I've been trying to obtain loads more different ones. I'm keen to get my hands on the ones with all the flakes inside of them. They look absolutely amazing. But Lorraine has got a really good selection of netting on the website anyway. I've also picked up this one, which is Fairy Mesh in Oil Slick. She had quite a few different colours of this one, but I've already got quite a lot. But I don't have this one. As you can see, it's very sort of, you can see why it's called Oil Slick. It's just got a gorgeous iridescent shift to it. I'm literally seeing so many different colours here. It's got black, it's got pink, it's got green, it's got red, or orange, maybe blue. It's literally got a bit of all sorts going on in there, and trust me, this stuff really does look incredible encapsulated, and it's just so fun to work with. You can just cut it up to however you like it. Like I said, there's many different ways to encapsulate it. You don't necessarily have to use acrylic, because I know a lot of you girls don't use acrylic. I don't even use it that much myself because I hate monomer. But you can use all sorts, you really can. Like, you can even just use a bit of top coat. I'll do a video at some point, I'll show you some different ways to encapsulate netting, but it's really fun to work with and it's so effective. So yeah, I'm absolutely buzzing to try these out. So moving on to the glitters, we have got this one here called Cotton Candy. As you can see, it is a very bright pink. It's definitely resembles cotton candy, that's for sure. It has got a little iridescent shift to it, it sort of shifts sort of green. It is a fine glitter, but I don't have nothing like this again. I just really like that colour of pink. I'm not a pink person in any way, shape or form, but I really like this colour of pink. And it's just something I don't have in my collection, so I had to. But yeah, I absolutely love that. Okay, and now I've got a couple of basic glitters just simply because I have run out and I needed some more. So here I have got a matte black fine glitter. It has got a sparkle even though it is matte. but it's really nice, and it's just one of those everybody needs in their collection without a shadow of doubt. Likewise with this one here, which is a fine holographic black called Midnight Magic. Like I said, I'd completely run out of these. I literally do not have any in my collection, so I knew that I needed to get some more. I also got Diamond Dust. Basically, I decided to start off my own succulent garden, and I had this like big long planter thing that had been outside for a good couple of years, like a terracotta one. I tried all sorts to clean it up. I tried baking soda, lemon juice, vinegar, tried some pink stuff. I tried a bit of all sorts and scrubbed and scrubbed and scrubbed, and I did manage to get it for the most part like clean, but it still didn't quite look good enough to be like, you know, sat indoors looking pretty. So what I've done is I got some PVA glue and all my silver holographic and all my black holographic glitter, mixed it in with the PVA glue and painted the planter, so it's now fully sparkly. But yeah, I ended up running out of glitter because I used all of my planter. It looks pretty awesome now. It's very sparkly and definitely looks much better than it did before, but yeah, I had to restock up on some glitter. But you know, everything's better with a bit of glitter, isn't it? So yeah, I'm happy anyway. I've got some new ones. These look absolutely gorgeous, and yeah, they are just simply a must-have in anybody's collection. Okay, and then the last of the glitter, we have got this one here, which is called Wings of Gold. It is a slight multi-mix. It has got some kind of like rose gold pink butterflies in it, as you can see there. Don't know how well you can see them there. Let's get it out the bag. You guys kind of see them? See a lot of the pink ones. The sort of coppery gold ones are blended in quite well with the glitter mix. But then otherwise we have got, it's hard to see because there's a lot of colour going on in there. We've definitely got some like iridescent coppery colours. I don't know, as you guys can see, it is very difficult to tell exactly what's in there. It is beautiful. It does look like we've got some fine gold holographic as well. It is a beautiful mix, so it really is beautiful. I can't tell you what's in there, but it is hella nice. I do really like it. Okay, and something I don't buy very often at all, we have got some stickers. These ones are Gucci stickers. I think you guys can see why I bought them. I do love doing designer nails, very much so, and I don't have nothing like these ones. I just like these sort of multi-tonal, colour changing ones where they sort of just blend from colour to colour. I like these sort of Gucci symbols down here as well. They have got a little bit battered. That one looks like it's been knocked a little bit, unfortunately. But for the most part, I absolutely love these, and I cannot wait to set with these. And then we got some more. So we have got some Chanel. I got these ones because they're gold and metallic. I just really like them. I have a lot of designer stuff, but they're mostly like straight up normal matte colours. We got those ones, these ones, and then we got these ones. They're all Chanel, but they're all really nice. And then I've got these, which are like little moon sort of gems. There's a few different colours in there. You've got some sort of like chameleon colour shifting ones. You've got some red one, not red, pink ones, purple ones. They look really nice. They look like a really good size for a nail, and they're not too big actually. They're a lot flatter than I thought they'd be. So yeah, there was loads of different types of these. I think there's stars, hearts, there's like all sorts of different shapes. I just really like the moon ones. Okay, and then we got some foil. So I'm not going to bother getting this one out of the packet, as you can see. It's called Carnival. It's very holographic. It's very colourful and very eye-catching. Look at that. It's amazing. I love it so much. You could just sit there and stare at that all day. But yeah, I got that one. It's really nice. And then I got this one called Golden Bloom. I have a lot of these like netting kind of style foils, but only in black and white. But this one, as you can see, is fully in gold. How cool is that? I've never seen ones like these before. It's kind of got like that fishnet sort of style netting on the back there with a load of floral stuff all over it. It's probably not something I'd ever use on my own nails because I'm not much of a floral girl. I do really like it. It's just not for like, I don't know. I have a lot of stuff I absolutely love but I won't wear it on my nails. But yeah, I feel like this is going to look really elegant, and I'm definitely going to do a set of nails with this at some point. Just not on myself. I know that sounds silly, but hopefully you guys get what I mean anyway. But yeah, I thought it's really unique. I've just not seen one like that before. Okay, and then you guys ready for the last thing? Ta-da! I've got a new silicone hand. I've got it covered in glitter and that already. But yeah, I've got the new Silicone Sally. I have been using my one for the longest time now. This one is one that we have made ourselves. This one here is homemade. This is one that I have been using for the longest time. It is a replica of my own hand and it has done me so well, but she is starting to get quite bad now. She's a little bit broken around the cuticles there. She's done alright, but I've just abused her a little bit, as you can see there. When I first made her, I was super gluing the tips onto the nail bed there. I eventually got a pair of scissors and I cut the cuticles so I can just do like what you're meant to do and slide the tips in. I do love it and I will continue to use it still. I just wanted a new one that's better for photographs and stuff. Plus this one's not poseable, it's just flexy, but it's not poseable at all. So I've been looking for a new hand for a while. I decided to go Silicone Sally because she is fully poseable. She is quite small and dainty in comparison to my other one. She works just the same, so you can get your tips and you slide them into the cuticle like so, and then you sort of use that as like a natural nail bed, and then you can build your sort of nail off of that, if that makes sense, and then you can slide it out, you know, get rid of it and put a new one in and crack on type thing. She is quite a bit different to my other one and I think it's definitely going to take me some getting used to it. I do like it. I haven't done like a full-on set of nails on it yet, but you guys will see me using it anyway. You'll see it with a full set of nails soon. And yeah, it comes with these cute little rings, which I really like, and it's super affordable. I don't think Lorraine's got any in stock at the moment, but if you pop her a message and just say that you're interested in buying one, I'm sure she'll let you know as soon as one is in stock and available. They're only £40. I think £39.99, which is really affordable for a silicone hand. This is only a 4-finger hand. You can also purchase a full hand, and you can also pick whether you get a left or right. The full hand comes with a clamp as well to sort of clamp it on. It has the thumb and everything. It is still poseable. I just decided to go with a half hand because I really struggle anyway. I've had a silicone hand with a thumb before and I never really used it because of the angle it is at. It was really hard to get photos and that with. I'm more than happy with a 4-finger one. That does me just fine, but I'm very excited to have a poseable hand anyway. Give you guys a closer look at the detailing. As you can see, you've got all like the knuckle creases and that going on. Likewise with this area here. Please do ignore the fact it's covered in glitter already. I do need to wash her down a bit. Longer fingers than my one and like longer nail beds. But yeah, I think for £40 she's an absolute bargain. It's just going to take me a little while to get used to it. But yeah, that is my new baby. And yeah, I'll do a full set of nails on her soon and I will share it for you guys so you can see what she looks like with a full set on her. But yeah, she's really cute. I'm very excited to use her. So that is everything for this video today. I really hope you have enjoyed it. I will leave all the details for Sparkle Supplies down in my description box as I always do. I do also have a discount code for you which I'll pop up on the screen now, and it's also in the description box of every single one of my videos. If you'd like to place an order, that will get you 15% off. You can use it as much as you like. But yeah, I really hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please remember to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and ring that little bell so you get notifications every time I upload. But other than that, I hope you have a fantastic day whatever you're doing. Much love to you all, and I shall see you in the next video. Bye!